Act like my you're walking on my All right. We are going to do another test run through. So let's actually pause the music and unmute. Ooh, that was loud. Gets me every time. Transition to the start screen music is pretty good. Those are two separate tracks playing back to back. And now, you know, it'll play this song if you go to the start screen.
Let's start off with a nice formal intro.
Let's see if we can get through the intro video.
I'm what is known as a technologist.
We're having some errors last time.
On the theory of wormhole transportation.
Want to get through the whole video.
I'm trying to transport matter around the cosmos in the blink of an eye.
I think I fixed all the bugs.
1 trillionth of a second if you want to get technical.
I also rearranged
Crazy,
the
right? Yeah,
office
that includes most
organizing task.
You could say everything that happened
So it should work.
of some of those dicks. They got their way, and I had to pack up and leave my lab. Alright, with that bit of background out of the way, let's get started. Cue the sad music.
Okay. Why is Carol always up in my business? This is the second time I've started the game.
Hey Graham, I heard about you getting let
And she's
go.
all up in my business.
The world is cruel and people are nasty. That's why I keep to my plants.
Thanks, Carol.
Here, you're going to need this now that you're unemployed.
I like that I changed directions when I started the cutscene. That was one of the things that I implemented. So you're looking at the person you're talking to. Looks like I got 50 bucks.
I wonder what that sign says.
That's working fine. Let's check all these.
Oh, hello, Dr. Milford.
Hey, Cranston.
No hard feelings. Hey.
Bye, Cranston. Nice. Out of the way, Carol.
Oh, sorry, Giles. Didn't see you there.
No problem, mate.
I gotta pack up. Got fired and all.
Look, I know.
Bye, Giles.
Alright, so far so good. We're doing end to end. That works. Hold on, I gotta let the dogs in. That's why I don't have the keyboard set up right now. But I should still be able to talk the entire time. A-do-do-do-do-do-do. Walking over to the dogs. A-boo-boo-boo. Walking over. Opening the door. Well, we got one of them. A-do-do-do-do-do-do. Walking back to the computer. Probably still gonna have to wait for the second dog because they decided to go out late, which is awesome. Okay. What was I doing? Yep, end to end. End to end. Let's break all of these, make sure I get all the points. Grand. I did notice if I try to get points too close together that it only does the sound once. Shouldn't be a big problem. That could be an optimization in the future though.
What was I doing again? Oh, need to grab my stuff.
Refer to your mission list to know what needs completing in this area. Collect your effects. That is my office. I collected it. Cool.
Guess I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
Walk up to people and click the action key to speak with them if indicated.
Hey, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig.
I need to put like
hey,
an ellipses in
Sorry,
between those
I
two.
didn't notice you were there. Look, so sorry about your project not working out. Don't worry, though.
Let me
You're
do
a
that
young
real
guy.
quick.
You'll do great things in your life after foresight. I know it.
Sir, you know I was days away from solving the vortex disruption.
What
and getting a
cutscene
real
is
proof of
this?
Concept. You were there. You saw the wormhole open that day, right?
Unfortunately, no one saw it.
Graham, unfortunately, no one saw. And it isn't just the board who has doubts. Between Professor Cranston and Dr. Giles both making some solid arguments against your wormhole theory.
Here we go.
Cranston and Giles have been in a funding war with me since I was brought on. You know they'd say anything too.
Don't forget the watermelon incident.
Let's.
There's just no way they'll
How
agree
do I
to let me keep
remove
funding your
this?
research. I'm sorry, Graham.
Uh-oh. Can you not delete this?
Meet me in my office.
Whoops. That might be annoying. Let's delete this one. Insert a new one. Yeah, I really need to allow you to add new ones. I don't know why. I think it's because I only allow one type of block. But, oh, here, I can just duplicate this one. Cool. But yeah, that's kind of a bug. I mean, it's just annoying more than a bug. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. And I actually added, we didn't get to see it, but I added his Salverson's walking animation. So when he goes to the right here, he does his slow robot walk. It's pretty great. All right, let's go. Continue the quest. Eerie music starting. Sounds good. Hot tub looks great. Sweet yellow pool table. And if I try to walk over here,
You
I get
know
caught.
why I started Foresight, Graham.
To take over the world? Sidewalk.
No, it was to stretch the boundaries of what people thought possible, to bring technology
Perfect.
to godlike heights.
Oh, Yeah, that's what I meant to say.
No one gets it, Graham, but you do. You get it. That's why I chose to bring you here. Why I gave you the most funding, the biggest lab. You and I are very similar.
Right. Almost like twins, eh?
None of this matters. Not the money, not the board, and certainly not 99% of the crap that's developed and pushed out of here.
Yep. So, what does matter, sir? Yeah.
Magic.
What matters? Magic, sir? Like wizard magic?
Did you know that lightning was considered magic at one point?
Good
Fire,
point.
The sun?
Good point.
No, the magic to which I'm referring is not the magic of fantasy.
Right.
It's the unknown.
The unknown.
Science yet to be discovered. So far in advance that if anyone from our time saw it in use, they would have to consider it magic.
That makes sense.
Everyone is afraid of what they cannot comprehend.
Correct.
Just like people are afraid of your research.
Yeah.
The world could fly by another 1,000 years and we'd never figure out what a real wormhole is.
Nope.
Space-time has so far been frustratingly beyond mortals.
Correct.
Your research is something quite special. I called you here to tell you to continue your research. You are to continue, and in fact double your efforts, effective immediately.
What?
You will be stationed at my research facility in Orkney, Scotland.
I'm sorry, did you say Scotland?
Aye.
Unfortunately, he's supposed to say that in like a Scottish accent, but that's fine. Fun, upbeat tech music starting. I like it. Okay, so this is looking good. What's this? Employee ID card is required. Access grid. Awesome. I need to still completely flesh out this level, but I'm just doing the functionality right now.
May I help you, sir?
Hello, sir. I'm Dr. Graham Milford.
May I help you, sir?
Yes. Sorry, I'm pretty sure I'm in the right place. Mr. Salverson sent me here to continue some research.
Mr. Milford, I see here you are stationed in Section C, Lab 2 of the Research Grid. Here is your temp badge to get you through the end of the week. A permanent badge will be sent to your company-provided condo in Delta Sign, number 445. Here are your keys. Do not lose them. If you lose your keys, a replacement charge will be required to procure a new set. Here is your CNC. Do not lose your CNC, or a replacement charge will be required to procure a new one.
Thank you.
You can enter through the doors to your
What the
right.
hell's a CNC? Thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day. I mean, I know what a CNC router is. Oh, door opened. Perfect. I got my points. I'm still at level 1, which is, you know, whatever. I got a new task. Talk to your onboarder. Oh. We have our thing.
This is your CNC device.
Ah, that's my
Refer
CNC.
to this while in the Tyrus Research Facility.
A very nice looking phone. You got it, thanks. Should probably put a control pop-up for the CNC now that I think about it, but yeah, we can flesh that out later. Okay. So now we're in the research grid. Talk to your onboarder. Well, I can talk to her. So let's do that.
Hello, Mr. Ahem.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I help you?
Hello, Mr. Milford.
Oh no, wait. Oh, doesn't let me finish that first line.
It's Dr. Negrescu. I'll be showing you to your station and getting you onboarded. Follow me, please.
Whoa, she's fast. Okay, now I have a new task. It's called Organize Your Office. Where's my office? There's a lot of offices here. Oh, I see something. I can't help but notice how fast you walk. Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry.
She
I
was
lost track
very
of my
fast.
velocity at times. It's part of my Patreon enhanced biomechanics. It allows a subject to function at 5 times the capacity of their average physical capabilities.
Capacity.
Reduced lactic buildup, muscle strengthening, mixed with increased flexibility results in a much higher speed of movement.
How do you accomplish this? For that matter, how did you get authorization to test it on yourself?
Yeah, that's weird.
You'll find that this research facility has a lot of pecs. We can push the boundaries of science without the political red tape and financial blockades that plague most other scientists. Mr. Salverson makes sure we're free to do what's best for our research.
Good.
As far as how this is accomplished, the simple version is that my genes have been altered via proprietary sigma radiation. It will take a few days to explain this properly, but alas, here we are. Do you have any questions?
So what's with the glass walls?
What about them?
Well, there isn't much privacy, I mean.
I agree.
I take it Salverson is quite transparent about his concurrent projects.
Pun.
He had not
So
put
good.
much thought into that, but yes, Mr. Salverson does believe that all of the pet races should remain open to gain insights, or even combine efforts as needed, to further their research. You should not worry about safety, though. The glass is indestructible. If you hear an explosion and you will, there is no need to worry about shrapnel.
Well, that's good. Nothing will ruin your afternoon quite like shrapnel. Sorry for my ignorance, but you've mentioned P3 a couple of times now. What is that?
Oh, my apologies. I must run, but perhaps we should meet for dinner tonight. I could better give you all the information you'll need to understand the pet race and history and duels.
I missed lunch.
So,
Missed
dinner,
lunch.
tonight.
Not paying attention.
Wonderful, then, it's a date.
It's a
Why don't
date.
you get settled here and I'll send the dinner specifics to your cheneche.
Your cheneche.
By the way, it
Oh,
stands
no.
for Closed Network Communicator.
Ah.
We are a transparent relay inside
Closed
the
network
facility,
communicator.
but should have zero contact with the outside world once you are on premises.
Yeah.
You have probably
That makes
noted
sense.
that all outside signals are being blocked.
I did notice that.
Great. Thanks for the information.
Oh, shit. She is fast. I bet you that she's at her office. Let's go check. Just to make sure that that functionality is working. I think John has the coolest office right now. Bunch of bullshit. Wait, where'd she go? She should be right there. Uh-oh, we lost her. Did I actually get rid of her? I thought I put her in her office. Oh. That's interesting. I think maybe I did get rid of her. Weird. Well, maybe she's in the bathroom. Yeah, I could have sworn that I kept her around, but whatever. Okay. Let's test the dragging.
This is going to take forever to get in order. Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
To drag items, click the action key. That's the space bar. When touching the item, click the action key again to drop it. All right. So I'm touching it. I click the action key, and now I'm dragging it. Pretty good free will. But it looks like I'm not going to be able to get this where it needs to go. So let's go over here. Let's move this out of the way. I think we're going to need to grab this chair first. There we go. Very nice. Let's move. Gotta get this out of the way somehow. Strategy, eh? Yeah, let's move that up there. Let's move this up there. There we go. And now we get... These look like they go here. I'm going to move this out of the way again. see if I can get these up here. No, not close enough. Come on. Oh god. I have 4 arms. Very nice. Looks like I have some image issues. That's fine. Not a bug I'm willing to deal with right now. The drag animation's looking pretty good. Alright, we're gonna get you out of the way. And we're gonna bring you down here. Because that looks like you fit right there. Nice. Let's bring this arm up here. Very nice. What else we got? Move your gadgets. I guess these are gadgets. No. Nice. Let's get this computer tower over here. That's my computer. Okay. Well, that didn't give me a sound, but it worked. Gotta get this out of the way. Wonder if I can get this one from the side here. No, I'm gonna have to move this one first. Can I reach? Yes. Okay, I am no longer getting sound effects. Oh, now I am. That's good. Move your other... Wait, why do I have meeting at Bylon? I must have hit something. That's weird. Because I have to do this one first usually. Oh, I think it's because of the one that I set up. Alright, I might have to change that to a trigger. Because I have another trigger right here. Let's see, that makes my message show up. Hello, Mr. Milford. Please meet me for dinner at Bylon. We have much to discuss. If you get lost, please refer to the facility map outside of the research grid. See you soon. Alright. So let's go find the map, which is up here. So that's where I am on the map. Bylon's at the top right. Okay, well, let's go. Let's try it out. I didn't record the voiceovers for Bylon yet, but, you know, whatever.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place. I have no issues retaining every word, so if you...
Well, first thing first, you can call me Ioana. I'll be your mentor of sort, so for efficiency, let's use first names, okay?
Oh, good. I'm Graham.
Wonderful. It's nice to meet you formally, Graham. Now, let's
Graham.
see where to start. Welcome to the Terrace facility. Helpful to know is that P3 stands for the Preeminent Prospective Project. Mer Salverson likes to say these are the most advanced
I forgot, I gotta change all the misters and doctors. Gotta spell them out.
Currently 15 I suppose now 16 projects in active development. I'm quite surprised that Mer Salverson decided to add a new P3. It's been 65 years since a project was added Terrace.
Wow, 65 years.
He was brought in as the successor of biomechanical enhancements a few years ago. My P3 was brought to us in 1944 by Professor Hubert Redulski in Poland to avoid its use by the Nazi regime. I'm the third successor to date.
A 70-year-long
Yeah, that one did not translate well.
All P3s are long-haul projects. In fact, no P3 has yet to complete their research. There is always one successor at a given time attributed to one of the 15 or 16 nope traces. When a project is brought here, it is assigned a successor to carry out its development. The hope is that a string of successors will continue the research until it's finished. Even more, Salverson is a successor to a long line of directors going back to the first P3. So, Graham, even though he was charged with onboarding you, he wasn't given much information regarding the origin or even the subject of your research. Must be something that Salverson didn't feel like explaining himself. If you don't mind me prying a bit, could you explain your P3?
I just think it's rude.
It's no big deal. Oh, hey, Ginny. John, what are you two doing here?
Sorry for intruding. Jeannie here kept bugging me about meeting the new successor.
You wanted to know about him, though, yeah, aged.
Didn't need to
The
barge
accents
into a
are so
restaurant,
bad.
though.
Anyway, we're here to grill the new successor.
Hmm.
Graham, please meet Doctors Genevieve Smith and John Fourier. Doctors, please meet Graham Milford.
The timing all
A
works though.
pleasure to meet you, Genevieve, and you as well, John.
You can call me Jenny. Genevieve аж me terribly.
The name is the least of your problems in that regard.
Shoot yer hob, John. Now you're not jetting any of me hyper-friction resistant polymer.
Hypercorrection.
Jeannie, you know
Supposed to
I'm
be
just teasing.
Irish. It
You're
doesn't
the
really
brightest
work.
flower in the field.
Alright, either join us and behave or take your flirting somewhere
Oh yeah, I
else.
gotta get rid of that line. Doesn't make sense.
So, before we were interrupted, he was asking about Graham, se Mr. P3. Honestly, I'm extremely curious to know with grand research warranted an addition to the P3s after all these years.
I know.
Well, my research is, in layman's terms, wormhole transportation.
Neat.
In
Neat.
short, my goal is to use man-made wormholes for transporting people or any other matter safely to anywhere instantly. The basis of my wormhole creation technology
go.
involves a laser tuned specifically to cut through our dimension in solid state.
Yep.
You are referring to Dakari's theory of reality in solid state. You have a laser that can cut reality.
Yeah, that would be accurate.
TH.
I didn't know wormhole studies had advanced so far. Os research are yasakkidina.
Well, funny thing is, I started this research.
What? You started it?
A founder brought in to continue their P3. Very cool.
Pro IT.
And cutscene. So now we're back. And shit has hit the fan. Now, I'll probably put a video in between that to make it show the rocket actually crashing, but the rocket from the other office has crashed here. And now we have to go through it. So first off, I guess I'll just try.
I should probably avoid walking into the flames.
Right.
Isn't Genie fireproof?
Oh yeah, Genie's fireproof. Only problem is I don't have any characters. That's not good. Why not? What happened? Uh-oh. Something happened. Okay. I bet if I refreshed right now, it would work. Oh no, it wouldn't. I'm not persisting data. Oh, I didn't think about that. You can't play this game without being logged in past a certain point. Because when I come back here from Bylon, everything resets. Because nothing was saved. Welp. That's good to know. That means I'm gonna have to force login. Yeah, because I don't want to persist everything in like local storage. That would be really annoying. Yeah, because when you go to a new area, it's loading all that shit. Okay. So I guess I can't test past this point. Unless I'm logged in. Ooh, bummer. That means I'm going to have to do it all over again. Shit. Well, I guess that means I don't need to test like this anymore. I want it to be kind of more of a real world test. I guess I can create a fake subscriber or something. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, because I can't test all that tutorial stuff unless I'm logged in. Son of a bitch. Okay, I guess we're restarting this. I'll just have to run through it. In fact, we'll just go ahead and jump straight to byline. Right? Maybe. Let's see if I can get away with that. Because if I can jump straight to the byline. Oh no, but I never went. It might not work. Let's see. Let me jump through this cutscene real quick using the action key. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. Come on. Now, will I have them? Or will it not work? Okay, I do have them. Cool. Okay, good. So I have my crew now. So I'll try to go here. Should probably avoid... isn't Genie fireproof? Oh, yeah. This is one of those... I need it to be in the menu things. But the menu can move. And if I do this, it might not work for me. But whatever, let's go ahead. Let's give it a shot. We'll switch over to Genie. And we'll see, she has a little countdown. But she can't click the buttons without putting out the fire. So she'll grab the fire extinguisher, kind of similar to the other ones. You'll see a little glowing thing. There we go, fire's out. And if I try to do this, you'll see there's a counter at the top. And there's no way she's going to make it to the other side. Yeah, I'm going to need a lot more explainers about what you're supposed to do. I mean, this is a tutorial level, so it would make sense. Oh no, why is Genie there? Oh shit. Wait, I thought I got rid of her. Oh, ran out of time. Didn't I get rid of her? But I think it's because I didn't leave. So actually, technically... Oh, see, Yona is gone now. She's not... She's an item, right? Genie flamethrower, yeah. Remove... After cutscene. Oh, I didn't do it. I thought I did that already. I guess I didn't. Yeah. Byline meetup. There we go. That'll do it. Okay, well, obviously I'm not going to make it in time. So let's switch to Iona. And it does not look like her speed is working, which is great. Awesome. I still don't get why it doesn't work. It just seems like the switching logic should work. But like it requires me to refresh. I have to fix that though, because it doesn't make any sense if she's not fast. And this is not speed, that's for sure. Right? No, she's slow. That's kind of glitchy. Might be having some issues with how many images, or how big the image is getting now that there's so many more layers in here. Because she's kind of laggy. Yeah, no, she's too slow. She did not make it in time. Alright, how come she's not going faster than normal, which she should be? Let's refresh and see if that fixes it. I bet it does. Is that faster? I can never tell. Go. We hit the button. Still don't think she's faster. Maybe. It's kind of hard to tell because she's just floating. I don't have any walking animations on her yet. But nah, I don't think so. I should already be around the corner at 16 seconds. Yeah, she's still slow. So even refreshing doesn't fix it. Why does this not work? I feel like I fixed this error like a million times. The speed change shit. Alright, let's go in the local. We gotta figure this out. That's definitely a lock. Like, you can't progress the story if you can't go fast. So let's do same thing. We'll do a new game. We'll go to Bailon. We'll collect everybody and try it out. And then the code in question is speed. So if you have speed, move speed is 1. Like, it should be really fast. I used to have it at 10. So that's why I think it's like just completely busted. So if I select her, yeah, same speed. Not going faster at all. But like in console, I'm seeing her get faster. Like, this gets hit, but for some reason the window is not working. But when I check the window, it does work. Yeah, I got the default one right here when you start the game. Yeah, and then this is definitely getting changed. We have the interval, but window move speed changes, so it should make you faster. So if I go console1 window dot move speed, this should be getting hit. And let's see what we're getting here. So 20, that's the normal. When I switch to her, whatever. Is that why it's not changing? Because of this error? What? What is this error? Character image. Map. Character list item. Oh, maybe it's just a console error that's busting it. Could be. So, what's happening? Oh, on click, you can go and select new. We're getting the character image. Remove. Blah, blah, blah. But SRC is what's throwing the error. So, MC image. MC hammer. So MC is the current main character. Map character icon. It's the first one. Oh no, it's all of them. So it's all the images. Okay, we're going through here. SRC. Maybe it's the new character index. Because I'm trying to loop through all the images. It might be because she doesn't have as many images. That's why. So I think I need to do this. But I'm trying to swap the images. I can't swap it if it doesn't exist. Then maybe I need to do a check instead. So if we do this, we can do that instead. Wait, what the fuck? Am I switching this for every image? That's stupid. Hold on. I don't know why I'm doing this. This does not need to be in this loop. Right? Doesn't need to be. No. No. This has nothing to do with this loop. MC ability. Oh, an MC name. So maybe... Wait, what? Wait, this doesn't need to be here either. Because it's just for images. Diffic. Okay. Let's try that. That might work. Okay, normal, 20. There we go. That's faster. Is it? I mean, it's definitely faster. But It doesn't feel like he slows down. Feels like he's still going fast. Maybe I'm tripping, but it does feel like... Is she going fast? I guess she's going faster. It's not noticeable though. She's definitely going faster though. Oh, that actually... Oh, it's because it's local. Yeah, duh. Well, I think I fixed it, but I am still worried that it has to be that fast. There's no room for her to grow. Speed. Like, I wanted to do 10. Which should be twice as fast as them. It just doesn't seem that 1 is that much faster. Feels like he's kind of booking it. She's definitely going fast. But is he going fast too? No, he's definitely going half her speed. From getting past those 2 doors. Yeah. Okay, maybe it's right now. Alright, I think that'll do it. Let's push it up. Oh, let's get rid of that console log. There we go. And what did I just see? I thought I just saw a variable not being used. Stop loading. I don't even use that. All weapons. Why is that a thing? That's not being used. I guess it's not. Okay. Maybe it was going to be something. Stop loading. Proj speed. Engage enemy. Oh, it's the projectile speed. I think I was gonna I was gonna update that speed eventually, so I'll leave that in. If simplify. Oh. I guess that's true, but I like mine. It's more readable. Okay, alright, let's stop fucking around. Alright, now maybe we can finish testing the tutorial. If I can push this code up. You know what? Obviously the dog's not coming back, so we'll just bring the piano over here for a bit. This piano is definitely falling over. Hey, Han Programmer. What's going on, man? First time on the side of the stream. Telling you, it's a weird feeling when you're used to being the streamer. I have to agree with you. What do you usually do? I'm guessing programming. Or are you talking about being in YouTube? Used to watch from the YouTube short side. Oh, okay. You mean like the big full screen? Yeah, that's true. How you been, man? Welcome back. My keyboard is literally falling over. The stand is so old and it just does not work anymore. Shit. I have to make sure it does not kill me. Okay. Hopefully we can move forward now and start testing again. Whoop. Let's give it a couple seconds. You have a Korg PA50? Nice. And you play at church? I like me a good organ. I'm no stranger to an organ. Let's see if this works. Can I go fast now? Let me see if I'm still getting the console error. No. Code is not pushed yet. Let's clear some cache. Sometimes it takes a second. Clear. Go. Okay. Now it's taken a while. That means the code has probably cleared. Well, take your sweet fucking time, dude. I can't even reach my keys. They're under my desk. Go. Can I switch without error? No, I'm still getting an error. Okay. Still waiting. That's pretty annoying. Sometimes it takes a second. Come on, keyboard. Don't fall over. I need you to stay up for me. This is really annoying. I can't hit the keys when they're under the fucking desk. Too hard to play. Ooh. Come on, buddy. Okay, now the code is cleared. Right? Yes. Alright, now she's fast enough. Let's go. Let's test this shit. Go. We have a countdown. Oh, she should be hopefully more than fast enough to get around the world in 30 seconds. Though I did move the speed up to 10 instead of 1. So it's possible she might not be fast enough still. And if that's the case, I need to figure out how to make her fast enough to get there in time. Oh shit. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, she wasn't fast enough. That's gonna be rough. I don't really know what to do. I guess I can move her back up to 1 and make her faster, but like then she can't speed up anymore. I mean, she can speed up by the tiniest of bits, like 0.00, you know, because the interval can only go so fast. I guess. I don't know. Let's try again. Oh shit. Excuse me. Let's try one more time. Maybe I can do it. Maybe it's just difficult. We can do this. Go. Okay, I hit that corner pretty well. Let's try to stay really close to the wall. Maybe I can get there in time. Go. Don't get caught. Ah. See, I can't get caught. There's no way I'll make it in time if I get caught. Yeah, this is pretty much the same timing I was making before. Yeah, no, this was even slower. 2, 1. Damn. Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, maybe I can move her to 5 milliseconds. Never mind, I'm being dumb. Let's just make the timer longer. I didn't think about that. I'm dumb. Hold on. So it's the rocket, disarm rocket, top and bottom. Here we go. So right now I have it set to 40. Let's change it to 45. And then it should be just good enough. Yeah, it looks pretty good. All right, there's 45. Let's do the other one. Where's bottom? Bottom. I think I gotta do both. Okay. Cool. Now we can do it for sure. We cheating. I mean, it's not really cheating. This is as fast as she can go for her time. Okay, so 45 seconds, let's go. I think I used to have it at like 30, but I also built the map much smaller, I think back then. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Oh yeah, more than enough time now. But she's still the only one that could do it. There's no way the other people could get there fast enough. Oh yeah, see if you hit the turn at 16 seconds, then you definitely have enough time. But see, it's not super amount of time. I mean, look at 5, 4, 3. There we go. Woo! We did it. And now we need to dispose of the rocket. And now if you'll notice here, there's this waste disposal area now. It has like drag marks. So that should be pretty telling. But she cannot grab it. She's not strong enough. So John is the strong guy. So he can actually drag this whole fucking giant rocket. Obviously he needs to bring this bad boy into the disposal unit and somewhere in here. I gotta figure out how to make this even better. Well, here's a center point. Yeah, this needs to be a little bit tweaked. Is that even the right area? Alright. Well, I screwed something up. Uh-oh. I can't grab it anymore. Uh-oh. I'm stuck dragging. Oh no. What did I do? I screwed something up. Alright, we need to figure out how to make the drag destination where I want it to be. See, that worked. I might have got lucky. Maybe I can create a sensitivity. Because right now the drag dest, if you look at the code, so the drag dest, I think I hard coded it to like the center point, the logic. Is this it right here? I think this is it. No. Where is it? Where am I doing the drag dest? Shit. Trigger creation lock, drag dest, no. Okay, here we go. Checks when you drop it. So this determines, yeah, see, I have the offset at 10 and 10. So within 10 pixels of the center point is my offset. So I feel like I need to have a designated offset. And I should be able to get that from the drag dest itself. So if I set that up and did like drag dest dot dataset dot top offset, and then drag dest. Actually, I'll just say offset. It'll be the same for both. Yeah, drag dest dataset offset. Let's make sure it has it. I guess I can default it, so I don't need to do that. Okay, and then we'll jump over to drag. Let's go to make a new meta field for it. Meta box. We'll go to items. Where's explore point? Explore points. Right. Point. And we'll add it. Where's the drag dest stuff? It's right here. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I could probably just add it here. And we'll do offset number. Perfectos. And then let's go to explore drag dest. Oh, yeah. That's what I want. And let's get offset. Correct. Oh, no. Default's going to be 10. And let's add it right here. Well, let's add it somewhere here. Is this the drag dest? Yeah, okay. Data offset equals offset. All right, now should do it. Oh, I'm an idiot. I always get the concatenation mixed up with JavaScript. Okay, so now we have the offset. We are grabbing the offset here. And that should be the offset. But I think we need to do a parse int. Oh, shit. Just to make sure that's a number. Yeah, because those are all numbers. Cool. All right. Let's try that. I should be able to test this locally, so let's jump into local real quick. And let's do items. Let's do the rocket engine. And let's go down to drag dests. We have the image right here. Looks great. And we should have a new field called offset. So I want to make this really easy. So probably like 60 instead of 10. Because I basically just want you to drag it over there to a generic spot and it should just get rid of the rocket. And now let's go to local. And it should work. Where am I at? Come on. Here we go. Let's put the fire out. I gotta be genie for that. Grab the fire extinguisher. With my feet. Yep. Oh shit. Oh fuck. No! I almost died. Uh-oh. I obviously screwed up the drag dest. Offset. Oh, I spelled parsing wrong. Good for me. Nobody said anything. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it. Okay. Now it should work. It's probably going to just go on its own now. Yep. It didn't do anything. Let's try again. And I instinctively know to grab it with my feet, but we're going to have to figure something else out. Yay. Okay. So that means that the parsing's working. It's defaulting to 10. Let's see if John now makes it really easy to drop his shit off. Go. Oh shit, she's not gonna make it. I gotta switch it to 45. Items. We got rocket button. Switch you to 45. In fact, locally I'm gonna do 50 just because I don't want to fuck around. Let's go to the top. 50. Okay. And now she should be fast enough to get there in time. Go. Yeah, she's booking it. I think 10 seconds is good. I mean, 10 milliseconds for an interval is good. Yeah, I should have more than enough time. Oops, not paying attention. Good thing I gave myself such extra time. now let's see if the new offset makes things a lot quicker to do, or a lot more, you know, I don't need to be as accurate. Let's see if we can grab this from the side. Yeah, see, it just, first try, I dropped it in the waste disposal. That's great. The offset's going to be a really good addition to the drag desk because, like I said, sometimes you just need to get it in the ballpark. It doesn't need to be like dead on, because sometimes my drag destination is going to be a hole or something that's not as form-fitting. Which, honestly, I should do that with the fire too. I just thought about that. Like, you should be able to just drop the fire extinguisher into the fire. I think I'm gonna do that. Now I'm happy I did the offset. Because, yeah, right now, I don't really like the fact that the drag desk, like, you feel like you have to put it in a certain spot for the fire. Like, you should be able to just bring the fire into it and drop. Honestly, I wish you could just touch the fire with it, but that would kind of defeat the purpose, because Genie has to go into there and put it out. I don't know, maybe not. Yeah, okay. Cool EO. Alright, great. Yeah, and I'll set up the offset for production. And yeah, I'm pretty much done for tonight, I think. Oops, I typed that wrong. And let's go over to the rocket engine. Where's the rocket engine? Right here. I really need to put a way to filter by area in the list view of things. That'll be a big upgrade. Oh, offset already showed up. Nice. Quick code. So yeah, we're gonna do offset. What did I do? 60. Should probably default it to 10 in the actual meta box, but it's fine. Okay, cool. So that's good. And I don't know. The more I think about the fire thing, the more I think you got to get in the fire. And the only way to get in the fire is getting as close to that drag dest as possible. Though I think the drag destination was screwed up. Now I think about it. I need to change the z-index on it, which you can do. No. Yeah, maybe. Can I do that with drag destinations? I don't think so. You can remove after, you can materialize. Dispose of rocket. But I don't think I can, yeah, because I can change the layer count, the z-index of the whole item. Maybe. I wonder if that, I don't think that affects the drag destination though. Does it? Item. No, see, z-index is always 0 because you want it to be under. Yeah. But maybe I can always put it one less than the item you're dragging onto it. That way I can make it higher, a higher z-index than, you know, the thing it's on. Now, whatever. Maybe I'm thinking too hard. Okay. Oh, shit. Time to finish my blade device, which I cannot do until I finish organizing my office. All I need to do, though, is to get the computer, I think, in the right spot. So let's just get the computer in the right spot, and then I can go ahead and test out the mini game. There we go. All right, let's try this out. We're soldering wires on right now because we're fucking cool. Except for sometimes it gets stuck, and I do not know why. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. Why is it not? Oh, it's because of all the shit behind it. I forgot about that. Get me out of here. I really need to figure out a way to not do that. Good. Yep. And beep. We did it. All right, translate transportation into binary. Oh my god. How annoying are you, binary? This is 5-point binary too. Oh shit. Already messing up. Did I get it right? I did. That's supposed to trigger a video. And then take me to the condo, but yeah, I haven't finished all that. Wait, what's this? Data set. What happened? Oh no, okay. Maybe it was supposed to do that. Dataset.video. What's N? I think I don't have the video set up, that's why. Yeah, because it's supposed to trigger the video. But I don't think I have the cutscene. It would be meeting with Salverson Foresight, office chat, meeting with Salverson. Yeah, this is what it's supposed to be. So yeah, I have a video in there, but it's not considering it a video. Oh, did I not put this in the right area? Oh, I didn't put it in the area, that's why. Idiot. That's why. Okay, got it. Foresight. Nope, wrong area. Thyrus. Remember your own levels, dude. Okay. Yes, so now this should work. I already did it, so nothing I can do. Oh, it worked. Oh yeah, it's supposed to end and then take me to finish your blade, yeah. And then mission complete after cutscene, no. Oh, next area is Graham Condo, yeah, it already has that. Okay, good, it worked. kind of got locked in though. And then, oh, I should be able to transport now. Why can I not transport? That's not good. I should be able to transport. It must have got fucked up because I finished it without the cutscene. Weird. Alright. Or maybe I can transport if I refresh. Oh shit. Yeah. Alright, transportation works only if you refresh. That's not good. So I definitely got the weapon shit working. Yeah. And now I can equip, and I have a katana. Hey, what's going on, Tide Titan? No, it's going pretty well. Just doing kind of like a pre-boss fight run through. I still have plenty to do when it comes to the actual level. Like, I got a lot more offices to finish. I gotta finish this one, and then these 4. But we're getting there. I mean, I have all of this side done, and I have half of this side almost done. But we'll get there. How you been, man? You're also working on your game engine? Hell yeah. I am so sorry, but I actually was about to sign off. And I gotta go let the dog in. But, Tide Titan, good luck on your game engine. Hope I can see you again very soon. And Han Programmer, thanks so much for jumping on, my friend. I will definitely catch you in the next one. And yeah, we'll make some good progress. Catch you in the next one. Goodbye!